Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anshul from Quantshala. So this is going to be a second part on time and work. So we have already created a first video on time and work. If you haven't watched it, press on the eye icon on the top to watch it because this is going to be a continuation of that video. So you need to watch that video for your basics to be clear. If you think your basics are already very clear, then you can continue watching this video. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple topics like first of all, we'll discuss pipes and cisterns and questions related to that, and then we'll discuss two CAT 2018 very important questions from CAT point of view, because on the basis of concepts that we have learned till now, we're going to solve those questions, and then in the end we'll have some extra gyan in terms of preparation, in terms of guidance and all of that. So that will also be helpful. So now, and what we did in the previous video, if you want to have some context, I'll tell you in a few seconds, is we did multiple things like time and work. We did very basics, that what are the basic assumptions that people need to make, and what happens, what is efficiency, how does money get divided in between people, what happens when there are multiple people of different efficiencies working together. All of these things we have covered there. So this video will be in pipes and cisterns and all of these things. So let's get started. Okay, so now this was mostly the basic concepts of time and work that you require till now. Okay, we'll discuss some more CAT questions after this, but before that, let's look at pipes and cisterns. What does that mean? Pipes and cisterns is nothing to be scared of. It is just equivalent to the concept that we studied today. Okay, what is pipes? Pipes is something that fills a tank or a cistern. Cistern is like a tank which gets filled with water or whatever liquid. Okay, so pipe is like a man which is doing work. Cistern is like work. Okay, because you have to fill the cistern. So we did this question earlier, right? A and B complete a work in 10 and 40 days respectively when they work alone. How many days do they require to complete the work when they're working together? What percentage of the work does they complete? This exact question can be written as a question of pipes and cisterns as well. A and B are two pipes which take 10 and 40 hours to fill a tank when opened alone. Okay, when they're opened alone, so when A is opened alone, it takes 10 hours to complete the tank, fill the tank entirely. When B is opened alone, it takes 40 hours to fill the tank. This is a tank, let's say. This is pipe A, this is pipe B. Okay. Now either if only A is open and B is not open, it takes 10 hours. If only B is open, it takes 40 hours. How many hours do they require to fill the tank when both of them are open together? What percentage of the tank does A fill? Exactly the same question, only the words are different. Again, how will you do it? Two pipes take 8, 10, 40 hours. That means A in 1 hour, how much will it do? It will fill 1 by 10 of the tank. B will fill 1 by 40 of the tank in 1 hour. This much they will fill together in 1 hour. Dividing this by 1, you will get number of hours in which they fill the tank. Exactly same solution. Okay. Now let's look at a question. There is one slightly new thing in pipes and cisterns is that in pipes and cisterns there can also be a hole or an emptying pipe. Okay. So we were earlier looking at this diagram, right? So let me draw a new diagram here on the top left. So now you have three pipes. Okay? Let's say A is this pipe which is filling the tank, B is this pipe which is also filling the tank, and then C is a pipe which is emptying the tank. Okay. So C is doing essentially negative work. Okay. What A and B are contributing to the work while C is removing from the work. That is negative work. Okay. Now let's come back to the question. Okay, if you have not done time and work, this question will be very new for you, but still I would challenge you to pause this video here and then solve the question and post the answer in comments. See, this logic behind the challenge is not to challenge you in a negative way, not to put you down that, oh, you can't even solve this question. The logic is to, if you just keep watching my solutions, then you're not gaining much out of it. What you really need to do is put your own brain onto a new problem. Even if you've never seen the problem before, that is fine. Pause the video and spend a lot of time on that question, because in CAT there might be new questions. You will not see exactly these kind of questions what I'm talking here, or even past year CAT questions. Okay, the pattern might change, the types of question might change. So it's always good to put your brain onto new types of questions. Don't think that, I have done these two types of questions before, I have seen their solutions, so those I will attempt to solve myself. ये तो third question है कोई which I have never done before, third type of question. So इसका मैं पहले एक बार solution देख लेता हूँ, and then future questions इसके I will solve myself. No, this is a very wrong thinking. So 3 pipes A, B and C are attached to a tank. A and B can fill the tank in 10 and 20 hours when opened alone. If the tank is full, C empties the tank in 40 hours. Okay, alone. Again, this is talking about alone. If how much time does it take to fill the tank when all 3 pipes are opened together? Okay. I'm going to solve this in very short manner. A can fill the tank in 10 hours alone. That means in 1 hour it will fill 1 by 10 of the tank. B can fill 1 by 20 of the tank alone. Now C, what does it do? C empties the tank in 40 hours. That means in 1 hour it will empty 1 by 40 of the tank. Now while A and B are filling the tank 1 by 10 and 1 by 20, C empties the tank 1 by 40. That means a negative sign here. Okay. So essentially all of those three together are doing this much work in 1 hour. Okay. Again, take the LCM, you get 4 by 40 plus 2 by 40 minus 1 by 40. You get 5 by 40, 1 by 8. Okay. That means in 8 hours they will fill the entire tank together. Okay. Now we have studied all the concepts, all the basic concepts required to do the CAT questions. Now let's do the main part, right? Because what are we doing this for? To solve CAT questions, to solve new CAT questions. So again, we'll discuss 2 questions, both of them from CAT 2018. Pause the video before both the questions and post the answer in comments. Humans and robots can both perform a job, but at different efficiencies. Okay, this is a CAT 2018 question. Humans and robots can both perform a job, but at different efficiencies. So basically, human, robot, they are just putting some English words here. You can also take this as A and B, just like you were taking in the other questions. Okay? 15 humans and 5 robots working together take 30 days to finish the job. Okay, try to write this in an equation. Let's say one human takes H days to complete the job. One robot takes R days to complete the job. Okay. Now in 1 day, okay, in 1 day, how much will a human do? He'll do 1 by H of the work. And now there are 15 humans. And again, the second assumptions come here that all those 15 humans are equally efficient. So they will complete 15 times this work. Okay. Simply think for 2, right? If one person is doing 1 by H the work, then together 2 people will do 1 by H plus 1 by H the work. So in case of 15 also we do it like this. Okay. Plus then robots are also there. One robot will do 1 by R work in 1 day. And then now there are 5 robots employed. So they'll do 5 times this one. And they take 30 days. So we'll write 30 here. No. Always think of the units. What is the unit of this? What is the fraction of the work that they're completing in 1 day, right? So here you will have 1 by 30. Why? Because they are totally together, they are completing the work in 30 days. That means together in 1 day they are doing 1 by 30th of the job. Okay, so this is the first equation that we have got. Second equation, oh, this is very similar. Okay, 5 humans plus 15 robots working together takes 60 days to finish it. 5 humans means 5 into 1 by H. And then 15 robots, 15 into 1 by R, simple. Take 60 days to finish it. 60? No, 1 by 60. Okay. How many days will 15 humans working together take to finish it? Okay. So if we find the value of H, then we can find this 15 humans thing also easily. Okay, now we can see that there are 2 variables, 2 equations, simple H and R, 2 variables, 2 equations. But this H and R are in the denominator. How do you solve it now? If you take the LCM, then you will get a term called as HR. Then you will have to do extra effort to eliminate that one. How you can solve it is simply take 1 by H as the first variable because all the H comes as 1 by H. Okay. So take this as X, take 1 by R as Y. So what do the 2 equations become for you? 15X plus 5Y is equal to 1 by 30. What did I write here? 1 by 30. The second equation is 5X plus 15Y becomes 1 by 60. Okay. Now you know very easily how to solve this equation, right? Let's just go ahead and solve this. Again, see, we need to find the value of H, right? So we'll try to eliminate the other thing. So we need to find the value of X. That means we'll try to eliminate Y. So multiply this by 3. What do you get? 45X plus 15Y is equal to 1 by 10. Okay. Now subtract these two equations, 15y gets eliminated. You get 45x minus 5x, which is 40x, is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 60. 1 by 10 is 6 by 60. 6 by 60 minus 1 by 60 is 5 by 60. 5 by 60 is 1 by 12. Okay. So now you know 40x is 1 by 12. Or you can say, so what did you have till now? 40x is equal to 1 by 12. And we know x is equal to 1 by h. Okay. So write x as 1 by h. So what do you get? H is equal to 40 multiplied by 12. So one human takes these many days to complete the work alone. Okay. That is what the assumption we started with. Always whenever you're taking variables, give a definition for them in your brain. Okay. What is h here? Some people, what they do is they'll take this h and then they'll confuse as to what this h represents. Does this represent that how much of the work a human is completing, or does it represent how many days does a human take to complete the entire work? So always have this definition clear in your mind. Okay. So now they're taking how many days will 15 humans working together to finish it. If one human is taking these many days, equate the man days. Okay. This is the number of man days it takes to complete the job for one human. For 15 humans, it will take 40 into 12 divided by 15. What do you answer? What is the answer you get? Okay. Now again, the lot of ways to solve this calculation. Either multiply to get 480 by 15 and then divide simply 3, 2, you get 32 days. Or there are some smart ways which will help you save 1 or 2 seconds, and then if you apply this in another question, they'll help you save 20-25 seconds in some questions also. 40 into 12 by 15. Okay, now you know that 120 is divisible by 15. Okay, that is an easy thing to remember. That is, if you have a good calculation skill, you will know that. So you take this 0 from here. This becomes 4 into 10. Put the 10 here. Make this 4 120. This becomes 8. 4 into 8, 32. Okay. Lot of similar ways to solve this calculation. So always try to employ some of these things. You don't have to calculate the entire thing every time and then divide in the end. Okay, 32 is the answer. CAT 2018 question. If you have a little bit of practice, this is not even 1 minute of question. Okay. So that is why I am telling that, you know, capitalize on these things. Capitalize on arithmetic topics. Okay, last question for today. Again, this is a CAT 2018 question. I know this video has become long, so we'll stop after this question. When they work alone, but okay, even if we stop here, we have another video where we have discussed 5 very important questions in a separate video. That was a quiz that we conducted on Facebook, out of in which many questions were created by me, and then many questions are also taken from past year CAT papers. So make sure to solve those 5 questions yourself. Okay, you'll find the link in the description or also on the I button on the top. Okay, when they work alone, B needs 20. Okay, this is slightly tricky maybe. B needs 25% more time to finish a job than A does. B needs 25% more time to finish. Does that mean B is more efficient? No, B is less efficient because B needs more time to finish the job. That to finish the job in 13 days in the following manner. A works alone till half the job is done. Then A and B work together for 4 days. And then finally B works alone to complete the remaining 5% of the job. In how many ways can B alone finish the entire job? How do you do this? Till now we have done questions where A and B both are working for the entire time. Now we कह रहे हैं कुछ भी हो रहा है. A works for half the time, for half the job. तो ये क्या आधा हुआ पहले? इसमें only A worked for 50%. Then for some 4 days A and B both worked, and then कह रहे हैं कि A फिर चला गया. Last का 5% only B completed. ऐसे कैसे करेंगे? Pause the video here now and solve the question yourself. Try to do whatever you can. Okay. कैसे करेंगे? Simply multiple approaches to solve this. The most simple that you can look at is, okay, first the intent will be to create multiple equations for everyone. Okay, that let's try to create equations for all 3 of these phases and then let's try to add those up or do something like that. But simply ये देखो यार कि अभी हम RHS में what were we putting in RHS? We were saying that in the previous question only. Let's go back to the previous question. Some other question. Okay, this one for example. What were we saying? This is how much 15 humans do in one day, 5 robots do in one day, and this is going to be equal to 1/30th of the work. Okay, if you also multiply this by 30, That means bring the 30 here. What will you get? 1. Because 30 days for all these people brings you to the entire work of 1. Okay? That means 100% of the work. Now you've got a hint that 50% this guy is doing alone here, 5% this guy is doing alone here. That means together, when they are doing it together for the entire time, they are doing 45% of the work here. Okay, 50% here, 5% is here, 55%. The rest 45% is here. Okay. Now we know how to solve this question. So in one day, first of all, takes let's say B needs 25% more time. Okay. So again, there are two approaches to make an equation out of this first sentence. If A takes X days, B takes 25% more time, 1.25x days, but might slow down calculation for some of you. Okay. So what is a smart way to take variables here? Take A takes 4x times, 4x days to complete. Okay. We don't need to take x, we can take anything. You can take 4x, 2x, 8x, you can take 1.37x, anything. Whatever simplifies the calculation for you. Okay, then how much will B take? 4x plus 25% of 4x will be 5x. So now we don't have decimals in our picture at least. Okay. So now we know that A and B work together for 4 days to complete 45% of the job. Okay. How much work does A complete in 1 day? 1 by 4x. Because it takes 4x days to complete the entire work together. So in 1 day, A completes 1 by 4x the work. Okay. Now A works for 4 days. That means in 4 days they complete this much work. Plus, in how much work does B do in 1 day? 1 by 5x. B also does the entire work for 4 days. Okay. So you get this sort of an equation. So this is the total work done by A and B when they are working together. That means this period. And here they are doing only 45% of the work. So is equal to 0.45, or you can say 45 by 100. So 4 by 4x becomes 1 by x, plus this becomes 4 by 5x is equal to 45 by 100 divided by 5, you get 9 by 20. Okay. Take the LCM here. 1 by x kya bana? 5 by 5x. I'll write this as 5 by 5x. 5 plus 4 is 9. This becomes 9 by 5x. Okay. 9 by 5x is equal to 9 by 20. I'm going to write this in the next slide. So what we have is 9 by 5x is equal to 9 by 20. 9 gets cancelled. You get x is equal to 4. What answer is 4? 9. They are asking in how many days can B alone finish the entire job? Remember, what did we assume? A completes the entire work in 4x days, B completes the entire work in 5x days. So the answer is B completes the entire work in 5x days, or 5 multiplied by 4, 20 days. So this is the answer that we have. Okay. This we have covered basic concepts, basic questions, along with 2 very important CAT questions on time and work. Also, definitely make sure to watch the other video where there are 5 challenger questions. Some of them are easy, some of them are moderate or difficult. But those are again taken, either created myself, I have created them according to the CAT pattern, or they are taken from CAT. So make sure to try those questions yourself and then watch the solutions to see what you missed, or if you completed in the exact manner that I did. Okay. So we have completed this video on time and work concepts and questions. As I was saying, make sure to join the Facebook group, because we do have one-on-one mentoring sessions there, and we have excellent mocks conducted there, to which you get very good detailed analysis, which will help you a lot. And then I will also help you with detailed analysis, review, and personalized preparation plan for future to work on your weaknesses, because that's what the goal of a mock is, right? The goal of a mock is not just, okay, this is some extra gyan that I am giving now, not related to time and work, but ये extra ज्ञान is very important. Okay. Mock में क्या कर रहे हो कि mock is just that you are using your knowledge while you are taking the mock. Okay. If you have learned some concept, you are applying that concept and you are practicing the question. जो question हो रहा है वो हो ही जाता. You are not learning anything new in that. Okay. You are, sharpening your brain, sharpening your skills, strengthening it more. That is fine. But बहुत ज़्यादा benefit नहीं हो रहा. Main benefit is that when you realize what are your weaknesses and work on them. Okay. जैसे first वाले बंदे का analysis देखा हमने. What was that guy? He scored very well, but he could have scored 80 or 90 if he worked on his weaknesses, geometry and number system. So अभी वो क्या करेगा? He has to work on the geometry and number system. Let me show you that analysis again. do I go back to that thing? Okay, let me use this. Okay, so let's go back to that analysis. So इसमें क्या था? He scored 62, right? But he could have scored much more than this if he did geometry and number system properly. So his goal is now to, after this mock, he has to focus on geometry and number system and the questions that he did wrong. So that mock analysis is the most important thing. So whenever you give mocks, sectional mocks, full mocks, or any practice questions also, make sure that you spend a lot of time in analysis. Don't think that you're wasting time in analysis. If you spend 3 hours on a full mock, it is fine to spend 5 to 6 hours for the analysis itself, because you have to solve the entire paper again. Because in this 3 hours क्या हो रहा था? You were solving those questions under a time bound, under a time pressure. Okay, so you did not think of all the ways that you could have solved it. अब in 5-6 घंटे में what we'll do is that we'll look at all the methods to solve it, so that we are strengthening our skills, and then also you are focusing on your weak areas, so that now you know that in geometry and number system I need to revisit the basics. Okay, so do make sure to join the sectional mock on Sunday 10 p.m. that we have. And do see, I've made videos till now. Let me come back to the previous slide again. So I've made videos till now on what all topics. I've made some videos on geometry. I've made some videos on number system, which includes remainders and very good questions from CAT on number system. And then this time and work, which is arithmetic concept. Okay. So some chapters from each of these 3 I've covered, but there are a lot of chapters still remaining. And I have to prioritize which ones to make which ones to make first. Okay, so whichever you think are more important to you, because I want to make something that benefits most of you, right, most of the viewers. So comment on the comment section below that which topic would you like me to pick first, and then make a thorough video on that, concepts, and then CAT questions, and then some difficult questions also, so that you get better feel of it. Okay, so do make sure to comment out whatever topics you want me to pick, or if there is any help that I can provide you in terms of resources, in terms of guidance, in terms of mentorship, I will definitely respond back to you and connect with you on that. Okay, so this was the video about time and work and some extra gyan. So do make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and do like the video, because that keeps me motivated to keep doing this for you guys. As I said in my previous video, this is an initiative that I am taking to help out CAT aspirants who are struggling due to COVID this year. And in fact, all CAT aspirants, many of them I know, they are losing direction because of COVID. They can't go to their coachings, online में उतना मजा आ नहीं रहा उनको, and then many have lost their jobs and they are in a really difficult position, right? So this is an initiative from my side to help all CAT aspirants in terms of quant and an overall mentorship for CAT 2020. So do make sure to ask for help. Okay, so if you don't ask for help, you're not going to get it, because I can't guess, or no mentor or no teacher can guess what you want if you're not explicitly saying it. In some cases yes, but mostly you have to say it out loud. Comment below what you need, not in terms of videos only, in terms of videos, in terms of question bank, in terms of mocks, in terms of guidance, preparation, or how to do a mock analysis, all of this. Okay, so do let me know what you need, and I will prioritize that definitely. And I'll connect with you whenever needed. You can join the Facebook group as I mentioned here, and then connect with me personally to get your doubts solved, get your queries solved. Okay, so do like the video, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and all the best for CAT 2020. All the best, keep learning.